Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be doing something quite stupid and different than I usually do. I'll be driving over with my car over these iPhones. Now these iPhones, actually my old phones, they are broken, so let's do something silly with this car. So what we're going to do is we're going to place, actually not this one, this is my new one, but we're going to place these two phones underneath the wheel. We'll do one by one, but I think we should start first with this one because this one is already cracked. This one actually isn't cracked. This one fell off a treadmill. Well, while it was on a treadmill, it fell off, and yeah, look at the results. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is, let's place it here. Which way should we place it? This way or that way? I think this way. And we're gonna drive over it. So let's do this. So we're gonna attempt to go over it again. This is the XS Max, which we're doing now. As you can see it's right there on the camera. And let's put the car in reverse. Let's go. And we are over it, officially over it. And let's go back forward again, because why not? Alright, let's see what's the result. Okay, so it's a little bit worse, I see. So just if you're not familiar, it's all glass, the back of the phone as well. And as you can see, it's starting to break apart. Let's get now the iPhone 6 Plus and see what happens with that one, because that one is not even cracked. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the iPhone 6 Plus. This one is not cracked. It's not on because the battery is dead, but let's drive over this one and see what happens. Okay, so I left it here as the floor, the ground is solid here, the surface. Have a look at that. Let's go in, set the reverse. And as you can see it there, I think we're over it now. I can feel something. What is that? Let's go back forward. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there we are. Have a look. Let's go and check out the result. How are we looking at this one? Oh yeah, look at that. So it's cracked. I want it to crack even more. Oh, look at this, we got some dents inside. You know what, let's put them both together, one on top of the other, and drive over it. Alright guys, so what I decided to do is to put two little stones and then put the phone on top. So hopefully we can get it cracked in half, because that's what I really want to happen. So let's do this and reverse. Now, let's hope this is gonna have the result we want. Sounds crazy, but we actually want to crack this iPhone open. Where is it? There we go. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yes, 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 this is what I wanted. Look at that guys, that's an iPhone 6 Plus, dented, cracked, in pieces. Let's bring back the XS Max and see what we can do with the other one. Maybe let's put them both together. So guys, we have the XS Max and the 6 Plus underneath two little stones, and we're gonna get that big V8 to drive over it again. Let's see what happens now. Here we go again. Reverse. As you can see, the camera popped up, and we got the two phones right over there. Move these yellow lines away, but yeah, let's reverse. Oh, the sound of this car. And we are on it, officially on it. I can feel it as we drive. Let's go forward again. And we are back off it. There it is. Have a look. Now let's... see it in live. Oh yes, look at that. Look at this. This is a disaster. I don't want to get my hands torn because there's a lot of glass around, but check this out guys. This is crazy. This is a nice experiment, I guess. It looks like the XS Max is a bit stronger than the 6 Plus, because look at the 6 Plus. Bent. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna get myself cut. I can feel a little prick here, but yeah, this one definitely looks more solid, but I'm not happy with that yet. I'm gonna try it one more time. This time I'm gonna do like this, like a bridge. Okay, so I decided I want to do this one on its own again, because I want to get this cracked in half. Let's do it again. Okay, we're in reverse. Phone is over there. I didn't really feel it, but I guess we're over it. There it is. Okay, we're getting somewhere, I see. Okay, this phone is definitely, have a look from this angle, it's definitely cracked in. Look at the apple actually cracked. Look at this. Just trying to be careful not to get myself cut, but the phone is bent. I want it to be cracked in half, just like this one here. Okay, so I found a massive rock here, which hopefully will get this phone cracked now. So we're now sliding in a different angle. I'm gonna leave this here as well, because why not? So there we have it. Now I think this will be my final attempt to see if we can crack the iPhone XS Max in half. Let's try it one more time. In we go. Let's hit the reverse. So, there they are. Let's do it. I can hear something. I don't really feel much. Okay, I can see it definitely moved off the rock, so we'll find out what happened. Okay, let's see how we're looking. Oh, whoa, this is what I wanted. Look at that. Guys, this is an iPhone XS Max. Look at this. This is the result. Be very careful because it's all glass. but the phone is literally, look at that. So there we go, guys. This is an iPhone XS Max 6 Plus, driven over by this C63 AMG. Let me know what you think, guys, about this. That was crazy. This is the result, guys. They're both completely bent, cracked. I couldn't see it getting worse damaged. I wanted it to slit in half like this one, but as I said, the XS Max definitely seems to be stronger. So we drove over it a couple of times, as you guys saw, and yeah, this is crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and of course make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. This was crazy. And guys, thanks for watching. Look at this. Whee! Out we go.